It's hot. Well, you know what? It's not even hot, but it's so muggy out here today. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Jill, or I go by Jay, Texas Gardening Gal, whichever. And I'm trying to get my yard back to a clean start after Hurricane Beryl. Thankfully, here at our home, we didn't have any damage, thankfully. Our neighbors surrounding me here, a lot of fence damage, fences down. I noticed some roofs are missing shingles. And then there's trees down in our neighborhood. There's still people here without power yet. And it is Monday, July 15th, and that's crazy to me. This hurricane was a Cat 1 hurricane, and people have been without power for over 8 days now. So, ooh, I got lots of grass in my hair. Look at, I've been weed eating and mowing, and I'm trying to finish my last cup of coffee. I'm a mess. Just a mess. I come on this channel and I look like I've been through I don't know what, but I don't come on here all fixed up, put it that way, normally. I'm waiting for some seeds that I ordered, and then I ordered those off of Etsy, so I'm excited to get those. And when I do, let's see if I get this grass out of my hair before not break my coffee cup. And when I do, I will definitely do a seed haul with you. I'm pretty excited about these seeds. I haven't tried probably 80% of them. I've never tried to grow before, so pretty excited about that. I'm waiting for my batteries to charge up again. I don't know. I guess I thought I had charged batteries in my mowers, and they weren't really charged. So, oh my goodness. The humidity, I'm telling you, is crazy. But I've got a lot of maintenance work to do. It's kind of nice because I put a lot of my stuff in the shed that was just kind of sitting around with nothing in it. So I kind of feel like this gave me kind of a clean slate to redesign and redo some things that I want to do back here. Oh, and I see a lot of new subscribers coming in. So thanks for subscribing. I'm excited that you joined. And if you have subscribed, like always, thank you. I appreciate it. I have a lot going on. A lot. Things are about to change to where I will have a lot more time to garden and do more videos. So I'm pretty excited about that. The one thing I need to do is trim down some of my rose bushes. They are kind of, well, about 3 of them are pretty out of control and just look just kind of straggly, not real good. I have 2 of the drawing a brain block, but they're like the bushes that have the little miniature thorns. Yeah, I hate the thorns. That's kind of my next subject. Miniature roses. I don't know why I can't think of what they are right now, but last time that I was trimming them, I think I got like a rose thorn in my finger, and I'm not sure if I got it out yet. But I had a house that we lived in where the whole front garden bed area in front was all these rose bushes, and I swore after that I would never get rose bushes again because I felt like I would always get the thorns on my fingers, and it was a battle getting those suckers out of my fingers. But here I am. I've got 1, 2, 3. I got 5 rose bushes. I guess I don't learn. I'd show you around, but there's really not much to see right now. It's pretty boring back here, and my yard. We just. Even though there were days where it's been hot here, and I feel like it got kind of dry for a bit. It just rains a lot this summer, and I feel like I just can't. I'm trying to keep up with the grass. It is long and thick. It's green. It is green this time of year. So I remember last year I was complaining because it was too dry and everything was dying. And good old fire ants. When I was mowing, I did run over a bed. So I was like, oh, okay, we're gonna stay away from that area, and got the dogs on the house because I don't want the dogs to get into that. They hurt. Those hurt when they bite you too. One thing I hate about Texas, fire ants. Like my number one, don't like it. I don't know what purpose they serve. Can someone tell me what purpose a fire ant serves? Because I hate them. They hurt. Yeah, at least the sun's not out yet, because if the sun was out, it would be just really, really hot. I'm going to show you this, guys. I'm cleaning out one of my little barrels, and when I used to record a lot on TikTok, I had planted carrots a few summers ago, maybe might have been 2 years ago, and someone said it's just too hot for carrots. Carrots aren't going to grow. Okay, well, really? Yeah, they did. They did grow. So, and it's July. Here they are. So I guess I proved them wrong. I mean, they're not, this one's a pretty good size. This one's not real big, but this one's a good size. So I guess I proved them wrong. Oh well. Okay, so I'm gonna check to see if my battery is finally charged so I can get this finished and get showered and on with my day. Because, oh my God, I'm so sweaty. Ugh. But I just wanted to kind of say hello, touch base. Things are, like I said, gonna be picking up again back here. I have my reasoning for lack of gardening videos and lack of plants showings and seeds. I'll give you that explanation next week. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe to my gardening journey. I will have many more videos coming out soon, and take care. Have a great week. Bye.